In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Steam games from backup. If you've saved your games using Steam's built-in backup tool and you want them back on your system without re-downloading everything, this walkthrough will make the process smooth and stress-free. Before we begin, make sure your backup location is accessible. If it's on an external drive, plug it in and let your computer recognize it. Also, confirm you've got enough free space on the target drive for the game you're restoring. Start by opening Steam on your computer. Once it's running, look to the very top left corner of the window and click the Steam menu. From that drop-down, choose Backup and Restore Games. This opens Steam's Backup and Restore wizard, which is designed specifically for situations like this. In the wizard, select Restore a previous backup. This tells Steam you already have game files saved and you'd like to bring them back into your library. Click Next to continue. You'll now be asked to point Steam to where your backup lives. Browse to the folder that contains your Steam backup. This may be a folder on an external drive or a directory on your PC where you previously saved the backup. If you use Steam's backup tool originally, you'll typically see a top-level folder that contains the backup files for one or more games. Once you navigate to the correct location, select the game backup you want to restore. Steam will detect the backup metadata and show you the title you're about to bring back. If you have multiple games backed up, you can choose the specific one you need. When you confirm, the restore process begins. From here, Steam takes care of the heavy lifting. It will reinstall any missing files from the backup, which saves time and bandwidth compared to a full download. It will also verify existing files on your system to make sure everything matches the latest data for that game. If Steam finds that some pieces are outdated or missing, it may download only what's necessary to complete the installation. Depending on the game size and the speed of your drive, this can take a while, so let it run without interruption. When Steam finishes, it will complete the setup and the game will appear in your library ready to launch. If you're prompted for an install location during the process, choose the Steam library folder where you want the game to live. And if Steam can't find your backup, double-check that you selected the top-level backup folder rather than a nested file. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your restored game and happy playing.